Hi, thank you for watching this video from Friendsworks. This video is part of our Salesforce Best Practice series. In this video, we talk about how Salesforce can help you manage and track each step of your contract lifecycle, from creation, review, approval, negotiation to signing, otherwise known as Contract Lifecycle Management or CLM. Many businesses use CRM to manage the leads to cash cycle. This begins with marketing and ends with revenue collection. But most businesses do not track their contract lifecycle. At best, they upload the signed PDF copy of a contract. CLM automation helps you move at lightning speed throughout each step of the contract lifecycle. By integrating Conga to your Salesforce instance, your business can simplify and accelerate the entire contract lifecycle. Close deals faster with automated contract creation, controlled negotiations, e-signatures, and streamlined reporting. Mitigate risk, reduce friction, instantly gain greater visibility to pinpoint where bottlenecks might occur. Maintain consistency and control of your most critical contracts. For this demo, we will show how. 1. Users create a contract from an existing template. 2. Users submit the contract for internal approval and approve. 3. Users send the contract to the customer. 4. Customer receives email, edits and replies. 5. Users receive the edited contract, make additional changes, and send it to customer. 6. Customer agrees to the changes and confirms the contract. 7. User true up the changes in Salesforce and circulate for signature. 8. Customer receives an email for digital signature. 9. Keep and track all versions of the contract in Salesforce. Meet Eva. Eva manages sales operations at Friendsworks. Friendsworks has just agreed on the commercial terms and needs to sign a contract with a customer. Eva creates a new contract and fills up the necessary fields. She chooses clauses for this contract by clicking Select Bulk Clauses button. The clauses she chooses will be displayed in the Managed Clauses Related list. Then she clicks on Generate Implementation Contract. After selecting the checkboxes, she clicks on Merge and Download. Now she can find the contract in Word format in the File Related list. Also, she can download the file to her computer. So, with just a few clicks, Eva can generate a contract based on the details of the deal and quickly send it to her manager for approval or to the customer for negotiation. Because there are special terms for this contract, Eva needs to send the contract to Coco for approval. She clicks on Submit for approval, adds a message to Coco and clicks Submit. Now the contract status changes from draft to approving and the approver will be notified. Coco checks on the contract record and decides to accept it. Eva gets notified of the approval. Now, she can send the contract to the customer for negotiation. She navigates to the contract record and clicks on Send for negotiation. Automation built into the negotiation button defaults values into fields such as the recipient's, template subject, and the email message. Depending on the type of contract being negotiated, we can set different default values and messages. Eva reviews the default recipient list, customizes the message, and previews the email. Everything looks good to go, so she clicks Send. The contract activity history will be recorded in Salesforce. The other party to this service contract is the customer, Kelly. She receives the email and opens the attachment in Microsoft Word. She looks over the contract. There are a few changes she would like to make. All information can be changed, from names and addresses, delivery and payment terms, clauses, and more. She updates the document in Microsoft Word and sends it back to Eva. Not only does Eva receive a copy via email, the revised contract is also automatically uploaded as a new version in Salesforce. She clicks on View Red Lines to check the differences between the two versions. If she does not accept the corrections, she'll click on Open in Word to download and make additional changes. Eva makes some changes. A new version of the contract is saved in Word and synchronized to Salesforce. She sends the new version to Kelly, the customer, by clicking on Send for negotiation. Kelly receives the revised contract and agrees with the changes. She replies to the email without any amendments. Eva uses True Up to write back the new value in Salesforce according to the agreed version of the agreement. This allows Salesforce to maintain the most up-to-date information about the contract. Eva sends it out for signature by clicking on Send with Conga sign. Everything is ready. She clicks on Preview and Tag. She positions the fields and places for signing online, like the signature, name, title as well as the company stamp. Then she clicks on Send for customer to sign online. Kelly, the customer, receives this email, clicks on View Document, clicks on I agree. When the document opens, she clicks on Begin to quickly position the place where she needs to sign, because this final version has been already negotiated by both sides. She picks a signature style or manually scribes her signature, inputs her title, uploads the company stamp. She completes the signature process and clicks on Complete Signing. Once both parties have signed the contract, it is kept in the document repository. That way, when she needs to reference a contract, her entire library is right at her fingertips. Keeping your system of record up to date for renewals and future contract generation. Your sales and operations team deserve an end-to-end contracting solution that accelerates negotiations without compromising on compliance. If you have any inquiries, please contact us at the email below. Friendsworks is a consulting company that specializes in customer experience management, from marketing to sales and after sales. Thank you for watching this video.